Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, July the 9th, 2020. In this binary puzzle, let me count first. What kind of binary puzzle is this? It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there is always 4 O's and 4 ones. Hey, I believe, let me see the, was it not the previous or yesterday? No, it was not. I recognize those 4 O's. Let me see, the day before. I hope they are not printed the same. This one is not. Monday, it's a Monday. Where's the Tuesday? This is a Wednesday. We have a Tuesday. Where is my newspaper? This is the Tuesday. Two. No. I thought maybe this was the same puzzle, but it's not the same. No, this one is the Tuesday newspaper. Tuesday, July the 7th. We have also here 4 O's here, but it's not the same. Look, those 2 are in the 2nd row and the 3rd row, and this is the 4th and the 5th row. No, the 3rd and the 4th row. So it's not the same. Alright, so let's get started. Sometimes the publisher are maybe lazy or not lazy. They print the same Sudokus or the same puzzles, and you cannot recognize it because there are a lot of puzzles in the past that I've solved. So if you remember one, oh, that's the same a half year ago or 2 months ago, then we need to inform the publisher, you can do this. This puzzle is already printed in the past. Alright, so we have 4 ones here. Those are the rules, and also no identical rows or columns. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, here O, then O. Double O, here 1, then 1. Double 1, hen O, then O. Double O, hen 1, then 1. Double 1, hen O, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Between 2 ones comes in O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, hen O, then O. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, hen O, then O. 3 ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. How about... 3 ones. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here an 1, there an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 3 O's. If I place the fourth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row. Not allowed, so this cannot be an O, this should be an 1. Then between 2 ones comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here an O, there an O. Double O, here an 1, there an 1. We have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here and O, there and O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, yes, we have 3 ones here. If I place the fourth one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. So this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. And then we need to compare something. Yes, let me compare this row and that row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0. So I need to switch these two numbers, otherwise I will have identical rows if I place a 1 and an O there. So this is a 1, this should be an O. This is an O, this should be a 1. Double O here and 1 there, 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Alright, do I need to compare again? Yes. Need to compare. Do we have 1, 1? Yeah, 1, 10. Yes. This first row and the 7th row. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1, 0, 0. So I need to switch those numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here and O there and O. Double O here and 1 there and 1. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright. Wow. Great Sudoku. I thought maybe this was the same as the day before yesterday, but it's not the same. So great Sudoku, do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And thank you again for watching, and I will continue in a minute with the last Sudoku in this additional. That will be a tectonic one. So see you soon, later. Bye bye for now.